The middle section of the DC-1 MIDI controller is mapped toward the smart knob functionality inside of Decadance. Each pair of knobs is mapped to a specific deck. So this pair of knobs is mapped to the smart knobs on deck 1, and you can see that as I turn these knobs, it changes the value. You can see this is deck 2, deck 3, and deck 4. These 8 buttons underneath the knobs turn the smart knobs on or off, and again they're in rows. So this button is going to turn the smart knob on deck 1, smart knob 1 on. This will turn knob 2 on, and you can see the same for deck 2, deck 3, and deck 4. And this will light to tell you that the knob is functional. That's the smart knob functionality mapped to the DC-1 MIDI controller. Thanks for watching.